Just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet. Oh, we just a touch of your love. Just a touch.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Chantel, and today we are doing a pretty crazy look. Now I know I'm talking really funny because I do not want these gems to fall off, okay? My patience was running very thin with these. I'm recreating one of the makeup looks that Lady Gaga had on in her Rain on Me music video. When I instantly saw this, I was like, I have to recreate this. It's just so cool. Now obviously it's not the same, so don't come at me, don't hate. Her look just like really inspired me, so I wanted to just create a really fun look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So we are starting off with some PLouise eyeshadow base to prime the lids, and I just used the shade number 2. And then I am using the Morphe 39S palette for this look, and I'm using this light grey shade. And I'm just blending this through the crease and on the lid roughly, just as some base to start off with. And then I'm grabbing this dark purple and I'm kind of just mapping out what I wanted to do. So it's kind of like a graphic liner, cut crease kind of eyeshadow look. And then I just go in with the black as well and mix it with the dark purple just to make it more darker. And then I just start making it thicker and thicker. You want to be really careful doing this. And then I'm just starting to fill it out more, and I just pick up the grey and mix it with that dark purple and just kind of blend it to the middle of my eye. And then I go in with the light grey shade and I'm just blending all of that out just so there's no harsh line there, and it just makes it look nice and seamless. And then I take this beautiful silver shade and just put this all over the lid. This shade is so beautiful. Oh, I love it. And then I'm using these eyeshadow toppers. So I grabbed a mix of the silver and the pinky purple and I put it over this silver, and oh my gosh, game changer. I am obsessed. So sparkly and pretty. And I also use that for my inner corner as well. Make it pop, honey. And then we are going to smoke that lash line out, and I'm just taking a mix of the grey with the purple and just blending. Now it's mascara time. I am taking the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and I'm also going to be putting on a fake lash. These are the Holy Grail cosmetic lashes in the Fluffy collection. I love these lashes so much. Now it's time for the Diamantes, and I'm taking the Too Faced glitter glue and I'm just going to do one line at a time just so the glue doesn't dry out. Now I just used a Diamante pen to place the Diamantes on, and oh, if I didn't have this, it would have been a struggle, you guys, because as you can see I have fake nails, so this was really hard to do. And can you believe that this took me like half an hour to just do one side? But it's all worth it in the end. So what you want to do is you want to make like the tear lines all different sizes. And what I like to do is put different size Diamantes on as well. have them just all random. I think that it makes the effect just look really cool. And I just got these diamantes from an arts and crafts shop. And the look is complete, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. This is so fun and cute. I am obsessed. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all soon. Bye!